Hey guys, I wanted to make a video on how to take and upload your written work on an iPhone. I know a lot of you have an iPhone, so I'll show you how to scan your work using the Notes app, okay? So first you need to open the Notes app and click New Note. And you'll see here on your keyboard there's a camera icon. On the article that I posted, it was a plus sign, but on your phones now it's a camera. So once you click that camera, you'll have the option to scan documents, and if you click it, it'll start your camera. Now this is a whiteboard, a small whiteboard that I have that I want to scan. So here is the picture. Make sure the angle is from the top. I don't want you to take a crooked angle like this. It needs to be from the top. Once you take the picture, it'll ask you which area you want to scan. It automatically fixed it to the notebook. I can move it if I want, but I'll keep it to the corners of the whiteboard. And I'll click Keep Scan. And that's it. This is your scanned picture, and it looks a lot neater than your regular camera. All right.